My lord, the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, by taking a home loan, my lord, was approached by a developer for the purchase of a flat which is situated on the second floor of a building.
The petitioner?
My lord, petitioner is the purchaser of a flat, my lord,
Yes.
which is on the second floor of a building. My lord.
All right.
My lord, the developer is respondent number 7.
All right.
My lord, taking a home loan, my lord, he went into the process of purchase. My lord, 28/11/2016. My lord, dates are very important. 28/11/2016, there was a registered agreement of sale, which happened between the petitioner and the developer, being respondent number 7. My lord, 15th of December 2018. My lord, there was a deed of conveyance, my lord, which was executed between the petitioner and the developer. My lord, on the same day, possession letter was handed over by the developer to the petitioner. The petitioner, along with his family, my lord, shifted into the premises.
All right.
My lord, the origin point, my lord, of this present case is that on the 11th of January 2023, all of a sudden, my lord, a notice under the SARFAESI proceedings came across to be pasted on the wall of the petitioner's residence, my lord, which was done at the behest of Aditya Birla Capital. My lord, they had never taken any loan from Aditya Birla Capital. They had no relations to Aditya Birla Capital.
You took the loan from whom?
My lord, Piramal Finance, my lord, which is respondent number 11. Piramal Finance Capital, Piramal Capital Housing Finance, and my lord, we have repaid the loan subsequently. So
everything
is with Piramal Finance.
Everything is repaid.
Everything is repaid. No outstanding. We receive a SARFAESI notice, my lord, from Aditya Birla Capital. Now, my lord, on inquiry, my lord, we came to learn what the developer does, my lord, after entering into a registered sale agreement with us on the 28th of November 2016, my lord, with respect to the same premises, with regard to the same property where we have shifted, he enters into another agreement with another person, my lord, which is respondents number 8 and 9. My lord, what those two persons do, my lord, they mortgage that very same flat where the petitioners have paid money and started residing there. They, my lord, mortgaged it to Aditya Birla Finance. They, after that, defaulted in the payments, and Aditya Birla Finance issued this particular, preferred this SARFAESI proceeding. My lord, the criminal element, my lord, was there, which is why we first approached this writ court. The criminal element, my lord, was this, that today a sale was made to me. Today, money was paid by me. Thereafter, that a deed of conveyance was entered into, and we had taken possession of the flat. Now, when there was a registered sale agreement, my lord, which was taken place in the year 2016, how could another parallel deal be conducted with some other person? That was number one. My lord, the second point was is that these...
So the offense was cheating.
My lord, first is cheating. Now, my lord, I'll come by one by. First is cheating, then there is forgery. Then, my lord, there are other allied offenses with regard to Aditya Birla Capital Limited, my lord. What Aditya Birla does, my lord, your lordship knows far better than me. Before giving any mortgage to the respondent numbers 8 and 9, Aditya Birla Capital has to see that whether in their searching, whether this property has been purchased or there is
any income,
any agreement is there or not with regard to this property. Now, my lord, what is interesting over here, the 2016 our registered sale agreement was there. Now, in spite of that, how could Aditya Birla Finance give mortgage with regard to the same property to some other persons? And those two persons defaulted in the loan. Now, my lord, with regard to this entire question, my lord, we had preferred a writ petition because the Behala police station, after registering the FIR, did not take any steps. Now, my lord, the first order which has been passed by the coordinate bench, my lord, is at page number 178. My lord, the findings are very important.
What is the immediate relief that you are seeking?
My lord, what has happened now? If your lordship only, my lord, one portion of the order, page numbers 180 and 181, my lord, then I'll tell your lordship why, my lord, I have come up so urgently before your lordships. My lord, over here, my lord, if I can just place, I'm not placing the entire order, my lord, there's less time. Although the sale deed of the respondent numbers 8 and 9 might appear to have been registered before registration of the deed of the petitioners, there is no indication in the title search report, my lord, this is with regard to Aditya Birla, about the registration of an agreement of sale that the petitioners have purportedly entered into on 28/11/2016. All of these have to be properly investigated. It appears that some investigation has been done after filing of the writ petition before the court. Further investigation shall be done under the supervision of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Southwest Division. We are the victims. We are the lawful owners. We have paid money. We are residing there. What the police does, my lord, after the passing of this order, I have specifically pleaded on the 3rd of June. We were called to the police station. we have been told to vacate the houses immediately. Why? Because they want to execute the SARFAESI order which has been passed in respect of Aditya Birla Finance. Today, my lord, we are the victims. Aditya Birla Finance's role is being investigated into. When we are the victims and their role is being investigated into, how could these victims, my lord, be asked or compelled to remove them when we have no deal with Aditya Birla Finance? Why are we directed to vacate the premises? Today, my lord, we are the witnesses of this case. My lord, the manner in which, my lord, this order is being taken, my lord, it is, they have been told that they have been given deadlines every time, my lord. 3rd June, they were given the deadline that by the 19th of June, that is today, we have to vacate.
Why don't you approach the
My lord, SARFAESI court, my lord, we have no role to play over there because, my lord,
certainly have a role to play. It's
my lord,
your property.
my lord,
that
it is,
being
my lord, in
sought to be
SARFAESI
taken
proceedings,
away.
my lord, over here, my lord, SARFAESI proceedings, my lord, I am not the person who has borrowed anything from Aditya Birla Finance. Aditya Birla Finance has no, but today my entire allegation is the fact in the manner in which Aditya Birla Capital Limited has given this mortgage to these persons, who are the other accused persons.
As regards the criminality in the matter,
Yes, my lord.
the police will investigate. But with regard to the loan or the defaulting, the mortgage and everything, the SARFAESI court is
But
there.
I have but today your lordship kindly envisage the scenario. But I have nothing to do with the default loan, nothing.
You may not have anything to
Yes, my
do,
lord.
but the property is under mortgage and there is an order passed by the court, competent court, and the order is required to be executed.
My lord, today, my lord, I'm today an accused, but then in the parlance of the criminal proceedings, today an accused person without clean hands approaches the court to get someone else dispossessed who has no connection with Aditya Birla.
You say you are coming with clean hands.
Yes, my lord.
The SARFAESI court ought to know about this. The court does not know that there is.
But then, my lord, we shall approach it. That is
Yes.
but that we will approach. But my lord, I want, my lord, the investigation, my lord, because the Deputy Commissioner of Police was supposed to investigate into this properly and expeditiously. But till now, my lord, after this, what steps they have taken? Number one, because Aditya Birla
That
Capital.
can be taken care of.
Yes,
but
madam, they are-
as regards the action of you being removed from
Yes,
there, vacate the premises, whatever, you have to approach this.
Madam, we are not even parties there. Madam, we'll make us a government. Yes.
Apply.
That, madam, we will do. Madam. That is, but over here, madam, let them, madam, show, because I want, madam, an investigation to be done, madam, in this manner, because something or the other, madam, just because Aditya Birla Capital Limited is there, madam, that doesn't mean that they are above the law. But they have,
Nobody is
madam,
above the law.
they are,
Yes,
madam, what?
you should approach the
Yes.
proper forum.
Very well, madam.
You,
With regard to the.
At a drop of a hat, you come to the writ court and you expect results. It's not
No, my lord,
possible.
it is not. I'm saying with regard to this, after the passing of this order, my lord, what steps have been taken? Because they have not yet concluded the investigation.
I can get it from the
Yes,
state
madam.
council.
My lord, because I want to this to
But
be
then
transferred.
your protection, the protection that you are seeking cannot be given. Approach the proper forum.
My lord, if
My
it
lord,
is, my lord, then
may I
proper
just-
forum, my lord, then only one request, my lord,
Yes.
that they are, my lord, consistently laying us deadlines. A week's time may be given to us. We will approach it. Lordship may make this matter returnable with.
order.
My lord, that,
My lord, may I
my lord,
just
I am not, my lord, because, my lord, today, my lord, what I am trying to, my lord, establish for your lordship is that the Aditya Birla Finance, my lord, being an accused person, they are going.
Don't take the name. It
They-
may be any
These accused persons,
finance
these
company.
accused persons,
continuously my learned friend has
Wait.
if they are
As
not.
it is, you can see the court is not in favor of the petitioner.
I'm
Then you are going on
My lord,
with submission.
if, my lord, they are saying that they are not accused persons, my lord, then what this role was very directed to be, my lord, this honorable court found that,
Yes.
how
The
could the
court
searching
has
be done?
passed order directing the DC, somebody in the level of the, under the supervision of the DC, South.
Yes.
Right.
And, my lord,
This
how
can
this,
be taken care of.
how this, my lord, searching report was submitted by this accused
The
person
police
without.
will take care of this. I'll call for a report.
Yes.
It is restricted to this only.
My lord, this, and, my lord, in
Even
week's time,
this
my lord,
SARFAESI
a week's time may be given. My lord, let me then do once.
This court will not enter into anything. Anytime you want to make, you could file the writ petition.
Yes. Okay, my lord. Very well, my lord. I had taken leave, my lord, and I had
11th of June, you could have approached that court.
Very well, my lord. I don't want to, my lord, beseech your lordship. Yes. This is the order, my lord. Let this order be passed with regard to the report.
What about the report? What about the report? Do you have anything? Please come.
My lord, short date may be given, my lord.
I am representing the private respondent number 7 and in this matter, and I have been instructed that no copy served to the private respondent number
Serve
7.
copies.
Yes.
It was filed by taking.
I have already served. I'll give it again, my lord. There is no problem.
The petitioner refers to the order dated 24th April 2024.
My lord, may I just indicate one thing, my lord, before my lord passes the order,
Who are you
because
appearing for?
I'm appearing for Aditya Birla Finance, because all the allegations that has been raised by my learned friend is against me. My lord, first and foremost, incorrect submission.
I am not hearing it.
No, my lord, just one
What is the
factual
use?
incorrect thing. My lord, page 138, this liberty for approaching DRT was given way back in June 2023. This is the
Wait,
third
they are
round of
trying
it.
to approach the court. Passed by a coordinate bench in WPA 24274 of 2023. Filed at the instance of the petitioner. It continue holo. Stop. It continue holo. Filed at the instance of the petitioner. ঠিক আছে? The court directed investigation to be done under the supervision of the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Southwest Division. And the investigation was directed to be concluded expeditiously in accordance with law. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner alleges that investigation has not been conducted properly till date. Stop. Next. Let a report be placed before this court disclosing the investigation process in terms of the order passed by the court. Stop. Released on 2nd July.
Madam, under the same heading.
What is the heading?
Mention matters, madam.
What is the heading?
Urgent motion, madam.
Urgent motion.
Yes, madam.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, urgent motion.
But both the affidavit of services.
Both the affidavits of service
the-
taken on record. Item 40 is somebody else's name.
Madam, both,
Orun
madam,
Kumar
I'm telling
Das.
you, Lordship, one side of the flat, another side of the flat. Both flats, two persons purchased, both flats given to mortgage to Aditya Birla Finance.
No, but then the order that was shown to me was of Mukesh Roy.
Madam, if your Lordship will see, madam, it is connected with the other case also.
Oh, it's there.
Yes, madam. Same.
ঠিক আছে.
Both
Then
are
the same
connected.
order with করে দিতে পারেন.
Yes, madam.
Yes. 38,
Grateful.
39 and 40.
Deeply grateful.
Call the Passover matter, please.